Imagine this. You invest $100 in a luxury apartment in Dubai. In return, you receive a digital token representing fractional ownership. A few months later, rental income starts flowing into your wallet automatically. Welcome to the world of tokenization, where real-world assets become digital, divisible, and instantly tradable. In this video, we'll break down what tokenization is, how it works, where it's already being used, and what makes it legally and technically challenging. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see how this concept is reshaping ownership itself. And don't forget to subscribe our channel if you want to take full advantage of blockchain and Web 3.0. So, what exactly is tokenization? Imagine turning your car's ownership into a digital token that lives on a blockchain. That token represents the asset and can be split, shared, or sold, just like the real thing. Let's break it down further. Say you own a condo worth $500,000. Instead of selling the whole thing, you tokenize it into 500,000 tokens. Each token equals $1 of value. Anyone, anywhere can now invest in a fraction of your condo. Welcome to permissionless liquidity, real estate for the Reddit crowd. But tokenization isn't limited to real estate. Let's look at some real-world assets already being tokenized. Real estate. Already 40% of digital securities are tied to real estate. Why? Because it's expensive, illiquid, and ripe for democratization. Art. Want to own a Warhol but don't have $1 million? Now you can buy 1/1000th of it for $200. Fractional art is changing the collection game. Finance. US treasuries, stocks, even stablecoins are being tokenized. And instead of a 72-hour wait to settle trades, it's almost instant. All of this is made possible by smart contracts, those self-executing codes we covered in the last video. These contracts automate compliance, ownership transfer, and even dividend payouts based on logic, not lawyers. But there's a catch. Just because something is digital doesn't mean it's legally recognized. That's where compliance kicks in. For example, if you tokenize a property, regulators still need a valid deed and legal framework to match blockchain records. Data privacy laws like GDPR also apply here, so if your token behaves like a stock, expect it to be a regulated one. Now let's clarify something. Not all tokenized assets are created equal. There's on-chain versus off-chain tokenization. In on-chain tokenization, both the asset and ownership live entirely on blockchain. Great for digital native assets like NFTs or metaverse land. With off-chain, the token is on blockchain, but the asset isn't. Think of it like a concert ticket, digital on your phone but tied to a seat in a physical stadium. So, which is better? On-chain is equal to transparency, immutability. Off-chain is equal to flexibility with existing systems. Each has trade-offs. That's why smart platforms like Kalpify combine the best of both. They use blockchain to tokenize assets and wrap it in legal protection using trustee-backed frameworks. With a hybrid model, Kalpify keeps trading and ownership transparent on-chain while handling compliance and real-world enforcement off-chain. Bottom line, tokenization offers liquidity, accessibility, and speed, but it also needs legal clarity and trustworthy frameworks to scale. Let's wrap with a quick story. Imagine Maya, a 29-year-old in India. She buys 0.5% of a Tokyo apartment, 1/100th of a Monet, and $50 in US bonds, all from her phone. That's the power of tokenization. It's not just about blockchain, it's about redefining ownership. Up next, we go deeper. In video 10, we unwrap different types of tokens, from utility to governance to security. Spoiler, not all tokens are created equal.
Download the Token Money Magnet app, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon now.